Hi guys and welcome, and let's get started right away. For today's project I have basically some trash that I'm going to be making into a 3-tiered tray. So these are, I guess, cable reels, so like cables come wrapped around on these, and they're for my husband's work. I knew they had those. They go in the trash, so I asked him to take some home, and I'm spray painting them with this black lacquer paint from Rona. Now, I didn't think it was necessary for me to film myself spray painting them. I've done that a few times. You can check out my channel for the tutorials. Um, so I spray painted them, and then I'm going to go ahead and add this little ribbon, um, little cardboard from a ribbon, and attach it to the top of the tray. But before I do that, I'm going to paint it all black with some acrylic paint. This will give me kind of that finished look on top of the tray. You don't have to do this. Obviously, you could leave it flat as it is, or you could even attach a little handle on it, which I thought about doing, just using some jute rope, but I decided this is the way I wanted to go. But it just to show you that you can do many, many things. Once you get the desired coverage, then you can let that dry and you can assemble the rest of the tray. So this is a really easy project. You paint and glue, and that's about it. I believe I did 2 coats on this little ribbon cardboard because the top is shiny, so I had to do 1 more coat after this one dried just to get it nice. And then I'm using my hot glue gun to just glue the stand together, and that's it. Now I used my hot glue because I can kind of move it around, and it's not permanent until I want it to be permanent. So you just want to measure and make sure that you're getting it centered in the middle of the bigger reel, because you don't want it to look all funky. I mean, you could make a funky looking tray, but for this one I wanted a more standard looking tray. So I'm just measuring, making sure that all the sides are evenly out, and then I'm going to use just a pencil and mark it off, and that's where I'll place my smaller one. I sometimes do things twice because I do it and then I think, oh, because I think I can eyeball things and really I can't. So I should just use my ruler and my tape measure when possible. So once again, welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I do DIYs on this channel, trash treasures, thrift flips, dollar store DIYs, all sorts of stuff like that. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and continue watching to the end so you can see the finished product. Thank you so much for stopping by, and welcome. So here's the completed tray using all trash items. The tray itself does not look like a beautiful, I don't know what tray, but the idea is that it's a 3-tier tray. They're super expensive at the store. I mean, they're about $30 to $150. And I wanted a black one originally because I thought it would go really well with my decor. And I have a few that are more farmhousey. They're galvanized steel, so I don't have one like this. And I thought with the Halloween decor it would really look nice, and I think it'll look nice with the Christmas decor once I fill it in with a lot of greenery. You could add beads around to give it a little bit of a lip, but because my other trays have lips, I wanted this one to be straight. And so just before I show you with a little bit of styling, this video is a part of the Using Trash to Create Treasure Challenge, hosted by the lovely Coffee with My Sunshine, Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. If you haven't seen her channel, here's a few videos that you can kind of take a quick peek at to get an idea of what she does. She's really, really creative and uses very little money to create some amazing DIYs. So if you haven't checked her out, make sure you check her out because she's fantastic. She also has another channel where it's more about more of a lifestyle channel, and that's exactly what it's called. It is Life, Love, and Endless Laundry. And so here she does some cleaning and things like that, decorating, and stuff like that. So make sure you check out that channel as well and subscribe if you have not. Casey hosts this challenge every single month, and basically what you have to do is use an item that would have either gone to the trash or been recycled otherwise and create it into something useful or decorative. So that's what I'm doing here. And I want to show you here what it looks like with a bit of decor. I'm not ready to start decorating for Christmas just yet, probably in about 2 weeks. But I wanted to show you what it looks like decorated in a Christmas with some Christmas decor, and just to see, give you some, just so you could kind of get an idea of what I mean by it turning out really beautiful with all the decor on it. I'm not saying I'm going to be putting this stuff on it, but I just had a few decorations that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show you. Once you put it in, you can't even tell that it's a few pieces. I will have a this tray decorated in Halloween decor for a video on Saturday over on my home channel. So I want you to check it out. I'll link it. Well, I won't link it above yet, but I'll link it back on Saturday. So if you wanted to go back, or I'll link my home channel up here so you can go and check out my home channel. That's where I do the decorating. And you'll see what it looks like fully decorated. I really think that it looks beautiful, so I encourage you to check it out. If you liked this video and found it useful, maybe it gave you some inspiration, leave me a comment below. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm full on Christmas mode after this. It's going to be all Christmas DIYs for the next little while, so make sure you check that out. My next DIY will be coming out on, well, there's a few coming out actually next week. I'll have several coming out, so starting on the 2nd, so make sure you come back next week and go and check out my home channel so you can see what this tray looks like decorated with some spooky Halloween decorations. It looks amazing. And again, that video will be up on Saturday. Again, thanks for stopping by. Check out the playlist and check out Casey at Coffee with My Sunshine. It'll all be linked in my description. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day, and don't forget to subscribe.